Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Treasure NFT application. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. First, open your web browser and go to the Treasure NFT app's official website. Make sure your MetaMask browser extension is installed and unlocked. Having your wallet password handy will speed up the connection process significantly, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. Once you are on the Treasure NFT application's homepage, your next step is to locate the Connect Wallet button. This button is usually prominently displayed, often in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's your gateway to linking your digital assets with the platform. Clicking this button will prompt a new window or a list of wallet choices to appear, guiding you to the next stage of the connection. After clicking Connect Wallet, you will see a selection of available cryptocurrency wallets. Here, you need to choose MetaMask from the presented options. This choice tells the Treasure NFT application that you wish to use your MetaMask wallet for the connection. Immediately after your selection, a small pop-up window from your MetaMask extension will appear, asking for your explicit permission to connect to the application. The final step involves approving the connection within your MetaMask wallet. Carefully review the details presented in the MetaMask pop-up to ensure you are connecting to the correct application. Once you are satisfied, click the Connect or Approve button. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now securely linked to the Treasure NFT application, allowing you to interact with its features and manage your digital collectibles with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.